Saif Ali Khan's starrer Tandav has been one of the most talked about shows this year. However, mostly for all the wrong reasons. Tandav has been at the receiving end of many complaints and trolling since its release on January 15th. The show has been helmed by Ali Abbas Zafar and written by Gaurav Solanki of Article 15 fame. While a lot has been said and done regarding the same, E-Times recently caught up with the star of the show, Amaira Dastoor, and asked for her take on the entire controversy. When we asked Amaira if the second season of the show will happen or not, here's what the actor had to say.
Actually, never say never. I think right now they have to get their cases cleared and then they'll make like a final official decision on that. But about the controversy, honestly, I think it was stretched a little too far, of course. I know the intentions behind the scene. I know for a fact that Ali is one of the most non-political, hurtful people that I've ever had the chance to work with as a director. I think he's very sweet. So it's really sad to see that somebody who really stays out of it and keeps a low profile to get embroiled in such a controversy. But at the end of the day, I mean, things happen and the show still got a really good response. So, I know. So, I mean, see, the audience loved it and like I said, hopefully everything will be cleared up.
For the unversed, Tandav has been accused of hurting religious sentiments of a section of the audience, especially with its now controversial scene featuring Muhammad Zishan Ayub, who dressed as Lord Shiva, was seen mouthing lines about Azadi. After numerous complaints, the makers released a statement apologizing for unintentionally hurting people's sentiments and agreed to snip problematic sequences. Earlier in his official statement, director Ali Abbas Zafar had apologized for the whole unintended controversy and got the scenes deleted from the show. Ali issued another statement in which he said that the makers decided to implement changes to Tandav after concerns were raised. At least 2 scenes were removed from the show. Many criminal cases were lodged against them in multiple states for allegedly hurting religious sentiments, and the Supreme Court had denied relief to the makers and the actors of Tandav, citing that the right to freedom of speech is not absolute. Meanwhile, what is your opinion about Amaira's statement on the same? Comment below and let us know.